I'm Jessica. I'm the friend that will travel 2,000 miles to see your show. This is my road trip adventure. Hey guys, so I leave for my road trip in a few days, which means I need to start packing. Except who has motivation to pack? Apart from pulling out my suitcase, I'm not really sure where to start, so I'm going to make myself a packing list of all the things that I want to take with me. Okay, so I made a packing list of things that are not clothing, and then I started on one for clothes. So I'll start packing in the morning. In the meantime, check out my puppy. Say hi, Coco. Guys, I literally leave in less than 30 hours and I haven't even started packing. All I did was write a very generic list of clothes I need to pack and a long list of non-clothing things I need to pack. But I haven't actually packed any of them. So yeah, I have a lot of work to do. So I'm leaving in 12 hours and let me just show you how packing is going. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, we're 10 hours to leaving and my suitcase is looking a lot better. I have most of my clothes packed now. In full procrastination fashion, how about a little car tour instead of packing? Ford Edge. Here's the driver's side. Here's the 12-inch screen. It's a foot long. This is huge to me. I don't know about anybody else. Nice heated seats in the back seat. Got both our pairs of sunglasses. So there's the front. Here's the back. Already messy. And that's about it. So yeah, that's the Ford Edge that we got for the trip. At least I have all my clothes packed. Time to finish packing and go to bed so I can get up to go early tomorrow morning. Okay, it is about 10 p.m. We will be heading out bright and early tomorrow, somewhere between 4 and 5 a.m. I think we decided on. So I'll catch you then. Night, guys. love, I will welcome you. Taking our first stop of the day to get some gas. We've been driving for just about 5 hours, so we're gonna get some gas, use the bathroom, and head back on the road. And this time I'm driving. Let's go. Okay guys, it's almost 3 o'clock. It's actually 2:57 right now. We just stopped for the third time at a gas station. It's Pump and Pantry. Not sure I've ever heard of them, but looks kind of fancy. It was a good couple of miles off of the freeway exit, so that was fun. I wanted to tell you guys that at the first gas station today, there was someone in the ladies' restroom that was watching a video on like full volume, and it was super awkward. Like, if you're in the stall, could you maybe not have the volume on your phone? First of all, do not be watching something with volume. That's really awkward. Don't be scrolling through TikTok with the sound when you're sitting in the stall in the public bathroom with other people in the bathroom with you. But also, don't be talking on your phone, because that's just like really weird and creepy, and just don't do that. So yeah, we've been driving since 5 a.m. today, so we're 10 hours into the drive. Eventually we will hit the time zone and gain an hour, so we will see. Fancy sink.
Can you get me where I want to go?
Tiny bathroom. Fancy bathroom art. This is funny. Microwave, fridge, mirror.
Alright, lounge up.
Chair. Iron board. See artwork. So we are at the hotel for the night. We drove about 12 hours today and somewhere around 800 miles. So yeah, we're just gonna chill at the hotel for the rest of the night. eat some dinner, watch some television. They do have a pool and a hot tub, but I don't know if we're gonna go or not. So that's pretty much the first day on the road. Spent a lot of time in the car today. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow.